What's up guys, welcome to my brand new channel, Rico Travels. My name is Rico and I thought I'd do a little introduction video so you know what to expect from my channel and myself, and that's, to be honest, not a lot because I have no background in video editing, in filming, in anything. I'm just a solo backpacker who quit his job to travel around Southeast Asia for the next few months, picking up a GoPro and rolling with it. Basically like the good old Lost LeBlanc days where he just had the GoPro. So Christian, watch out. So right now I'm at the airport in Frankfurt and my flight is going to Bangkok in an hour, I think. After Bangkok I'm gonna do Thailand for about a month, and I've already booked a flight to the Philippines and I'm probably gonna spend there about a month as well. So if you're stoked for that, subscribe, like, and tell me in the comments what you like to see from the videos, what you expect from my channel, and I try to make you all happy. Thank you and see you in Bangkok.